Apple just built the most repairable MacBook in years, and that's not a compliment to Apple. It's a confession. Rewind to the early 2000s. Apple's engineers pioneered a design philosophy where thinness and aesthetics came at a brutal cost. Repairability, glued batteries, soldered RAM, proprietary screws. Decade after decade, iFixit, the independent repair watchdog, handed MacBooks repairability scores so low they were practically a joke. The right to repair movement grew louder, legislation threatened, and consumer pressure mounted. The MacBook Neo scores among the highest iFixit has ever given a MacBook. Modular components, standard screws, replaceable parts. The most repairable MacBook in years only exists because Apple spent years building machines that were nearly impossible to fix. Sometimes the greatest engineering achievement is simply undoing your own damage.